My name's Jessica Mastrofilippo, and I'm an application engineer with MacLean Power Systems. A really common problem in the field with hardware is corrosion. In heavy industrial areas, you have to worry about pollution and chemicals in the air. And in coastal regions, you have to worry about salt in the air. Another common problem in the field is when you have debris in the threads. So you can't run this nut up and down the threads very smoothly. It essentially seizes the nut. Our solution to both of these problems is a thermal diffusion galvanized part. This is essentially a different type of galvanizing from hot dip, and you usually don't run into any problems with the nut seizing on the thread. The process for thermal diffusion galvanizing is very different from hot dip. It's eco-friendly and a green process. You have zinc and aluminum powder in a drum, and you put the bare steel part into the drum, and this drum rotates and heats up. The aluminum and zinc powder then vaporizes and diffuses into the bare steel part, so it forms a protective layer. The part is removed from the drum and clear coated to provide extra corrosion resistance. Thermal diffusion galvanizing essentially falls between stainless steel and hot dip galvanizing in the corrosion resistant spectrum, and it's significantly cheaper. So the main test for corrosion resistance is ASTM B117. This is essentially 1,000 hours of constant salt spray. This is a thermal diffusion galvanized part that has been exposed to 1,000 hours of salt spray. As you can see, the nut still runs up and down the thread, and the bolt is not compromised. This is a hot dip galvanized part that has also been exposed to 1,000 hours of salt spray. The nut cannot move on the threads, and the bolt is compromised. We offer thermal diffusion galvanizing in a variety of parts. They are size limited, so it depends upon the size of the drum used in the process. When you're searching through our catalog online, what denotes a thermal diffusion galvanized part is the -T at the end of the catalog number. For example, you'll have J8810, which is your standard hot dip galvanized part. If you want the thermal diffusion galvanized part, you'll have a J8810-T. You can find more information about thermal diffusion galvanizing on www.macleanpower.com.